today we're going to do the low-rise chaos tower. And first we're going to start with the low-rise framework. So for the low-rise framework, step 1, you're going to need 8 long tubes, 4 short tubes, and 8 5-way joints. Let's put it together. There we go. I set aside the first part I've done with the low-rise framework. Now I'm going to build a part that's exactly like it. Again, for this, you'll need 8 long tubes, 4 short tubes, and 8 5-way joints. Let's get started. Done with the second part. Now that I'm done with these 2 parts, I'm going to connect them with these 4 long tubes. And to do that, I'm going to need to put it on the floor because I don't have enough room on my table. Okay, this step is incredibly simple. All we're going to do is connect these 2 parts with this pole. Oh, those 4 poles. And we're done. For the next segment of the low-rise framework, I'm going to put together the feet that go on the bottom of the framework I just built. For this segment, we are going to need 2 long poles, 15 short poles, and 10 5-way joints. Let's put it together. Okay, the last part I'm going to put together goes on the top of the structure and is going to hold up the upper ball return. Okay, now to attach the parts to the low-rise framework. Now I'm going to add these two supports for track later.